Good afternoon and welcome back to the Hood Table to all my hoodies. Please come on in, make sure you like and share the video and subscribe to the Hood Table if you are not already subscribed to the channel. Now, you guys, please get ready for another The Hood Table podcast with your girl Tanya. Now, today we're going to be giving you a little update on George Zimmerman, Trayvon Martin, and Trayvon's parents. Now, we all know that George Zimmerman had got off from shooting and killing Trayvon Martin. And then after that, he had filed a lawsuit against Trayvon Martin's parents. So we're going to do a little update on that. But first, I want to do a little flashback. A little flashback video that we had did over George Zimmerman filing a lawsuit against Trayvon Martin's parents. And then after that, we'll discuss the update information.
Trayvon Martin and George Zimmerman. I cannot believe that he is trying to sue the Martins.
So you defy orders, get out of the vehicle, pursue this unarmed child. This boy did what every parent tells their kid to do. Run. If a stranger is coming towards you, you run. He begins to tussle and he see he can't beat that boy. So he pulled out his gun and shot him. You got off at the trial, and now you got the unmitigated gall to sue them, to sue the parents of the child you killed.
Yep. I can't imagine how I know this is still fresh with a lot of people around the world. So I know it's really still fresh with, his mother, Sabrina and them, and his father and brothers and, his loved ones. But now you want to sue them. And the reason why, I don't know if y'all, heard about this, but the lawsuit claims that the Martin family and lawyers used a fake witness against George Zimmerman. Now, if y'all remember during the trial, Trayvon and his girlfriend, before he was murdered, Trayvon and his girlfriend was on the phone talking.
Rachel.
Huh?
I said Brittany, but I meant to say Rachel.
Oh, yeah. Trayvon and his girlfriend, Brittany, was on the phone talking. But they alleging that Brittany's half-sister, Rachel, pretended to be Brittany when she was interviewed by prosecutors and provided false statements to incriminate George Zimmerman based on coaching from others in court during the trial.
How would she know who George Zimmerman was? Why would she lie about that?
I don't see that part. I don't understand.
Like, what are they getting out of switching places?
I don't get it. I don't, okay. That part I don't get, why she would switch places or why they're alleging that she switched places, or why was she, I don't understand. Why was she, if the girlfriend was on the phone and the girlfriend heard everything that was going on the phone, why would the sister tell some false statements to the police and pretend to be Brittany? Yeah. I wonder if Brittany was scared.
But
because she didn't want to testify. Remember?
Rachel didn't want to testify.
Right,
how can she say verbatim what happened?
It's all crazy to me. I don't get why this makes me upset.
Okay, you guys. So that was a flashback of our commentary that Carmel Diva and I had did a couple of years ago on this situation with the lawsuit against George Zimmerman. who shot and killed Trayvon Martin. And at that time, like everybody was like, "Are you serious? You done really lost it now. You lucky you got off for shooting a poor boy." And now you're trying to file a lawsuit against his parents. And the reason why he was trying to file a lawsuit, like we were saying, in the video that you just watched, he was filing a lawsuit for defamation and conspiracy against Trayvon Martin's family. But thankfully, a judge in Florida has dismissed this defamation and conspiracy lawsuit that George Zimmerman had filed against the parents of Trayvon Martin, the teenager that he shot almost a decade ago. It's like, really, I cannot believe it's almost been, like, today is the 16th. Trayvon was shot on February 26, 2012 in Sanford, Florida by George Zimmerman. At that time, he was 17 years old and in high school. Mm. That one still hurts. That one still hurts. It really, really, yeah. That really hurts for a lot of people, especially his family and his loved ones. Judge John Cooper in Tallahassee, Florida, dismissed all charges against all defendants in the lawsuit filed by Zimmerman. He had filed a lawsuit against Trayvon Martin's parents, Sabrina Fulton and Tracy Martin, against the attorney Ben Crump, who had represented the family and others. The judge has said Zimmerman failed to show any fraudulent representation and said any further arguments in the case would be futile. There can be no claim for conspiracy to defraud if there is no adequately stated claim for fraud, Cooper wrote in the order filed more than 2 weeks ago. The other defendants in the lawsuit included HarperCollins publishers. They had published a book that was written by Martin's parents about the case, and also Brittany Diamond Eugene and Rachel Gentel. That was the sisters that we were speaking of. You know, Brittany was Trayvon's girlfriend, and Rachel was Brittany's sister. So he had filed a lawsuit against all of them. And according to his lawsuit, he claimed Brittany didn't want to testify that she had been talking to Martin before he was killed. So her half sister Rachel pretended that she was talking to the team before he was fatally shot. Rachel ended up testifying at Zimmerman's 2013 trial in Sanford, Florida. The lawsuit claimed that Trayvon Martin's parents, along with Crump, participated in the conspiracy in an effort to get charges filed against Zimmerman, have him tried, and destroy his goodwill and reputation. Reputation? In his community. Anyway. Zimmerman also claimed the defendants portrayed him as a racist murderer. I'm going to have to get a side eye on that one. Who racially profiled Martin. Martin was black. Zimmerman's father is white, and his mother is Hispanic. Zimmerman was acquitted during a 2013 trial, which focused attention on race and Florida's Stand Your Ground self-defense law that allows people to use force without retreating if they feel threatened. Was Zimmerman really ever threatened? We all know he wasn't. The case was originally filed in 2019 in state court in Central Florida, Polk County, but it was later transferred to state court in Tallahassee to accommodate some of the participants. Again, thank you to the judge for basically throwing that shit out the window, dismissing that case that George Zimmerman had the audacity to file against Trayvon Martin's family, the lawyer, Trayvon's girlfriend, her sister, and HarperCollins publishers who had published the book written by Trayvon Martin's parents. You guys, this has been another The Hood Table podcast with your girl Tanya on the update of the case of George Zimmerman against Trayvon Martin's family for defamation and conspiracy lawsuit. And you guys, please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel if you are not already a hoodie. And in the meantime, in between time, stay safe, be blessed, remain vigilant at all times, and always remember to keep it hood. Bye.